exact equations. Solve the differential equation v times 2u v square minus 3 du plus 3u square v square minus 3u plus 4v times dv equals 0. For exact equations, m is the coefficient of dx and n is the coefficient of dy, but we don't have dx and dy here. Instead, we have du and dv. So we'll just take m as the coefficients of du and n as the coefficient of dv. So m equals 2uv cubed minus 3v. So we multiply v to 2uv square minus 3. So we get m equals 2uv cubed minus 3v. Then n will be equal to 3u square v square minus 3u plus 4v. So for the equation to be exact, partial derivative of m with respect to u. So we get the derivative of v and take u as a constant. So that's derivative of v cubed is 3v squared times 2u. And then derivative of 3v is minus 3. Then for partial of n with respect to u, we consider v here as a constant. So the derivative of u squared is 2u times 3v squared, we get 6u v squared minus the derivative of u, which is just 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Since partial derivative of m with respect to v is equal to partial derivative of n with respect to u, so therefore the differential equation is exact. So for exact equation, partial derivative of f with respect to u is equal to m, and the partial derivative of f with respect to v is equal to n. We start with partial derivative of f with respect to u, which is equal to m, and m is 2uv cubed minus 3v. And then we integrate, the left side of the equation becomes f. We integrate with respect to u. Integral of u is u squared over 2 times 2v cubed minus the integral of minus 3v will be considered as a constant. So the integral is 3v times u or 3uv. And since we consider v as a constant, so it's possible that the constant is also a function of v. So we write plus t of v. Okay, so simplify this one. We get f equals u squared v cubed minus 3uv plus t of v. And then we get its partial derivative with respect to v so that we can equate this to n. So partial derivative of f with respect to v. So we will consider u as a constant here. So the derivative of u squared v cubed will be 3u squared v squared minus the derivative of 3uv, that will be minus 3u, plus the derivative of t of v, t prime of v. Then we will equate this to n, which is equal to this. We now have this equation, and then from here we can cancel first term here and first term here. Also this minus 3u. So we have t prime of v equal to 4v. And then find the integral of this to get t of v, 4v squared over 2, or equal to 2v squared. And then we substitute this here and equate that to c. We will get our final answer, u squared v cubed minus 3uv plus 2v squared equals c.